m over 2 plus 2m over 3 plus 5 is equal to 17 minus 5m all over 6. M is equal to, we are looking for m, take solution. For us to answer this question, we are going to bring all the terms in m to the left hand side, then we carry all the constant terms to the right hand side. This will give us m over 2 plus 2m over 3. We are going to transfer negative 5m over 6 to the left hand side. When it crosses, it becomes positive, plus 5m all over 6 is equal to 17. We are going to transfer 5 to the right hand side. When it crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative 5. At the left hand side, the LCM of 2, 3, and 6 is 6. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. 3 times m gives 3m, plus 6 divided by 3 gives 2 times 2m, it gives us 4m, plus 6 divided by 6 gives us 1 times 5m, it gives us 5m, is equal to 17 minus 5 gives us 12. 3m plus 4m gives us 7m. 7m plus 5m gives us 12m all over 6 is equal to 12. 12m divided by 6 gives us 12 divided by 6 gives us 2 times m. 2m is equal to 12. Then for us to get the value of m, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of m, which is 2. 2m divided by 2 is equal to 12 divided by 2. Then m will be equal to 12 divided by 2, which is 6. It simply means if we replace m with 6 in this equation, the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. We are done with the solution of the question. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.